Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2013 TF Ford Kuga EcoBoost. This vehicle has sustained damage to the rear. This shape runs from the 11th month 2012 to the 9th month 2016. This vehicle is fitted with a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder Petrol EcoBoost engine, backed by a all-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light and garnish. Left front guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door, slight fold. 2 dents in good, tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch steel wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Factory 17-inch steel wheel with hubcap. Left rear has an average tyre. Have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It also has a tidy rear bumper cover, rear tail light, right hand side. Factory steel 17-inch wheel, right rear has an average tyre. Right rear door, 1 small dent. Right front door, 3 small dents. We have the right hand power door mirror. Factory 17-inch steel wheel. Right front has a good tyre. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. We have the driver's power window master switch in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grand black cloth interior. It has a tiny center console lid, tidy handbrake lever and center console, automatic, tidy gear stick, automatic, aircon controls, tidy condition, has a single stack stereo, display unit, automatic transmission instrument cluster, left-hand sun visor in tidy condition, center courtesy light with sunglass holder in tidy condition, right-hand sun visor in tidy condition. Also has a tidy black leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.